Okay, so we're going to think of anything funny for our next video thingy, so we're just going to see how many marshmallows we can fit in our mouths.
They're big marshmallows.
They're marshmallows. Walmart brand. Yeah. Great value. Okay, April, you can go first.
Two, three, four. Only four, I bet.
Wait, is that the fifth one?
No, I think that's four. Stuff it in there. Stuff it in there.
Is that the fourth one? That's six. Good job. Thanks, swallow.
Swallow it, April. Come on, April, swallow it.
Okay, so now I'm going to see how many marshmallows I can fit in my mouth. April, don't look at me. Stop drinking your milk.
Dustin,
What?
put the camera more on me, like you have it all on Madison. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh wait, I didn't even notice how many you just like started putting them in there.
How many is in there? 4.
5.
5. You can fit more on this side. 6. Come on, come on. You can fit more. I can see I have. Ow! She hit me with one.
Right in the nipple.
No, on the stomach. Oh!
So how many marshmallows can you fit in your pile?
You tell us.
Totally.
Or you make a video and fit marshmallows in your mouth. Because they can't be baby marshmallows.
They have to be huge.
Hold on, wait, because it tells you.
Peckers. Hold on, let's just
Try these delicious ones.